Tudela Dragonboat Exhibition Race 2021!
We show to you history in the making as we witness the first ever Tudela Dragonboat Exhibition Race here in the municipality of Tudela, Camotes Island of the Cebu province. This was a joint event by the officials of Tudela and Mandaue City and the Philippine Accessible Disability Services, or PADS.
The goal of PADS is really to spread the beautiful sport of dragon boat racing and also attach the values towards the sport. So atuang gitrain ang mga youth under 24 teams ato sa mga lessons na na-learn sa mga seniors team. As a matter of fact, ang mga mentors and coaches comes from the seniors elite team. So sa among nakatunan as athletes, we want to also share and advocate for the skills and attitude na develop na mo over time.
A total of 25 teams and sub-teams participated in the exhibition race. 4 from Mandaue City, 7 from PADS, 2 from Lapu-Lapu, and 12 from the municipality of Tudela, who had their own inter-barangay race. Which was also participated by the PRV Paddlers, a team of Navy reservists.
And we aim, we dream big. Kung mahimo maka-host me og International Dragon Boat Open din sa among lungsod. So for us, this is a good start. Na-overwhelm ang mga batanon sa atong lungsod nining unang first time nga dragon boat gipahigayon din sa isla sa Camotes.
The Black Mamba Warriors, or BMW, composed of dragon boat racers from Mandaue and Lapu-Lapu City, bagged the most number of championship awards in the Premier Open, Mixed Masters, and Masters Open categories. PAD's Dragon Boat team led the Premier Mixed Class and Premier Women's categories, while the team from Kanduman also won 2 championship titles, namely the Youth Mixed and Youth Open categories.
Nigasto ang Mandaue unya daghan tag delegation gipada dire para aging support sa ilang activity dire karon sa ilang founding anniversary nila.
Please proceed to our coastal cleanup.
Before the race, a coastal cleanup activity and ceremonial parade was held.
The first Camotes Dragon Boat Exhibition Race, Tudela Dragonboat Exhibition Race 2021!
The organizers then proceeded with the traditional painting of the dragon's eyes, which is customary before the start of every race. This was followed by the blessing of Reyna Bulacna, the newest dragon boat of the PADS group, donated by the Embassy of Australia. The new boat made its maiden voyage with Mayor Jojo Solante and his wife Ann Georgia, who is also a dragon boat paddler.
The first Tudela Dragon Boat Exhibition Race now open.
Despite the downpour, the teams carried on with the race, with members of the Philippine Coast Guard and Navy on standby to ensure everyone's safety.
We welcome this event because this event signifies the official opening of Tudela, of its doors to travel and tourism. And we hope, other than this dragon boat race, we are also planning to have more events here in cooperation with the government of Tudela.
The award-winning PADS Dragon Boat team is set to compete in the World Cup of Nations this November in Hong Kong.
Mag-pool na po ng paddlers para mag-focus para mapaghandaan na magmaayo ang competition sa Hong Kong kay the best of the best na gud ni siya na competition gisagol tong mga maayong team. So kinahanglan andaman jud namo siguro for the rest of the month until November amo nang i-focus sa training namo.
Team Captain Arnold adds that the pandemic has really affected the paddlers both physically and mentally, and that they are grateful that this exhibition race helped them restart their training.
Una namong gibuhat ato nung katong pandemic na is online training so para makondisyon gyapon namong lawas. Naghatag may mga programs na buhaton nila sa balay nila and then they will send the video para ma-check namo kung gibuhat ba nila ang push up, ang different exercises kay nanambok man gud tanan because of this pandemic. So naka-think me of something na kita mo adjust sa situation. So bisan online siya. And then we also meet via online every week just to check on everybody. And we come up also of helping our co-paddlers na naglisod during the pandemic. So nagchipin-chipin mi kwarta katong maka-afford. And then we give groceries to our paddlers na kanang kinanglan jud nila ba. So mo to sa among gipambuhat. And nakatabang siya dako sa amo as a team.
This has been another milestone event in the history of Tudela. Today's race has made the participants experience and feel the importance of friendship and sportsmanship. This has been Nelson Del Mar for MyTV Cebu.